To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then navigate to the Updates tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add Status to create a new status update. You can capture a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery. Now, tap on the sticker icon at the top. From the list of stickers, select the photo sticker option. Choose an image from your gallery to use as a sticker. Now tap on the image, and you will see several shape options that you can apply to your photo. Available shapes include landscape rectangle, portrait rectangle, square, circle, heart, and star. You can reposition, resize, and move the image within your selected shape as desired. When you are finished, tap Done to proceed. You can resize and move the sticker on your status update as needed. You can add multiple sticker photos to a single status update, enabling creative layouts and storytelling. Once you are satisfied with your status update, tap the Send button to share it with your contacts. Your status has been updated. Check it out. So that's how you can use the new WhatsApp status update feature with custom picture shapes.